In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme color in ClickUp. If you want to personalize your ClickUp workspace and make the interface feel a little more comfortable or visually appealing, changing the theme color is a quick and simple setting to adjust. This can help you create a look that matches your preference while keeping your workspace easy to navigate. To begin, make sure you're on your ClickUp home workspace. This is the main area where you can access your tasks, notifications, and workspace tools. Starting from the home workspace makes it easier to find the settings you need without getting lost in other sections of the platform. Once you're there, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This profile menu is where ClickUp keeps several account-related options, including personal settings and preferences. If you're following along, take your time here and make sure the menu fully opens before moving on. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your personal settings area, where you can manage different parts of your ClickUp experience. After selecting it, the My Settings page will load. Depending on your connection or browser speed, this might take a moment, so just wait until the page is fully visible. On the My Settings page, look for the section labeled Theme Color. This is the area where you can customize the color style used throughout the ClickUp interface. You'll see the available theme color options there, and from this section, choose the one you prefer. As you select the color, think about readability and comfort, especially if you spend long hours in the app. A color that looks nice but also feels easy on the eyes is usually the best choice. After you've chosen your preferred theme color, click Save Changes. This is an important final step because your selection won't be applied until the changes are saved. Once you do that, the updated theme will reflect immediately, so you should see the new color appear right away in your ClickUp interface. That instant update makes it easy to confirm that you picked the right option. If you ever want to adjust it again later, you can simply return to the same settings page and repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme color in ClickUp. It's a small customization, but it can make your workspace feel more personal and pleasant to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.